aboard the Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Alrighty folks, welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. I'm your conductor Jeremy, and our talented, fabulous motorist Mikey is going to take us safely through here. If I can have everyone say hi to Mikey for me. Hi Mikey! Alright, there we go. Keeps them on track even though we're on track. And just to let you folks know, on both sides of our trolley, our mom and pop stores, they will be open. They'll be open 1 hour after our park closes tonight. We do close at 10 o'clock tonight. If you look over on the right hand side, we have a celebrity out, folks. It's Donald Duck. And as we make our way from Buena Vista Street to Carthay Circle. Over on our right hand side of our trolley is our Fiddler Five for Practical Cafe. Named after the three little pigs. If you look at the building, it's made out of bricks. And it's also Starbucks. And as we come to our stop here in Carthay Circle, please stay seated till the trolley comes to a full and complete stop. Doors are open and the lights are turned on. This is our main hub where you can go to Cars Lane, Pixar Pier, Soaring Around the World, Grizzly Peak, and the Avengers campus. Alrighty folks, thanks for staying on board with us. We're going to be making some stops on the way down. We got one stop in Hollywood and then our last stop over by Sunset Gardens of the Galaxy. Over here on the right hand side we have a celebrity out, it's Goofy. And as we make our way from Carthay Circle to Hollywood Boulevard, make sure you have your glamour shots ready, folks. You might get discovered down here. Mikey and myself, we've been trying to get discovered, but we keep getting missed. And if you look over here on the right hand side of our trolley is our Disney Junior Dance Party. We got one more show for it today, folks. It starts at 4:15. That'll be the last show of the night. And if you look over on our left-hand side of our trolley is our Sunset Showcase, starring Mickey's PhilharMagic. It is a 15-minute 3D show. Excellent to get off your feet for a little bit. And as we come to our stop here in Hollywood, please stay seated until the trolley comes to a full and complete stop. Doors are open and the lights are turned back on. We do have one more stop, folks. So, like Mikey was saying, we are going to be going out of service on February 8th. There will be no more trolleys, folks. We're sad about seeing it going away for you. Over here on the left-hand side of our trolley is our Fairfax Market, formerly known as the Farmers Market down on Fairfax and 3rd in Hollywood. Over here on the left-hand side of our trolley, we got Max Goof over here, folks, to do a meet and greet for you. And as we make our way from Hollywood Boulevard to Sunset Boulevard, and as we come to our stop here on Sunset Boulevard, please stay seated till the trolley comes to a full and complete stop. Doors are open and the lights turn on. This is the end of our line here, folks, so we're going to have to everyone step off the trolley, rejoin that line, and we'll try and get you back on the trolley.
Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
folks. For those who just came on board, welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley. I'm your conductor, Jeremy, and our talented, fabulous motorist, Mike. He's going to take us safely through here, folks. And as we make our way from Sunset Boulevard to Hollywood Boulevard, over here on our left-hand side of our trolley is our animation building. That's where you can test out your drawing skills, talk with a 150-year-old turtle named Crush from the EAC, and also do a meet and greet with Anna and Elsa. They'll be there until 6 o'clock tonight, folks. Then they gotta go home, get their beauty sleep, and come right back the next day. You too, folks.
Was that last time?
Yeah. And also on our left-hand side of our trolley is our bathroom. If you look at the front of it, it's done by Frank Lloyd Wright from the Rocketeer movie. Over here on the right-hand side of our trolley is John Hollywood. Back in the 1920s and 30s, it used to be called Bullock in Wilshire. It was a clothing store back then. Also on our right-hand side of our trolley, just make sure you keep your arms inside the trolley at all times, please. Is our popcorn stand. You gotta stay seated on your bottoms at all times too, please. There we go. You're good. And as we make our way from Hollywood Boulevard to Carthay Circle, over here on the right-hand side, I'm getting ready to do another show here, folks. At 5 o'clock is Miguel with the mariachi bands there. And as we come to our stop here in Carthay Circle, please stay seated until the trolley comes to a full and complete stop. Doors are open and the lights are turned back on. This is our main hub where you go to Carthay, Pixar Pier, Sorry Around the World, Disney Page, and the Avengers campus.
The Red Car Trolley. For your safety, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside. And watch your children.
Para su seguridad, por favor permanezcan sentados con las manos, brazos, pies y piernas adentro del tranvía y cuiden a sus niños. Gracias.
Welcome aboard the Red Car Trolley, everyone. We are on our last leg of this journey, our one-way trip to the main entrance. At the end of our third exit line, we will have to ask everybody to disembark so that we can get our new riders in. If you're planning on trying to go with us again, you can always hop back in line. The other direction, the other road. On the left here, we have Trolley Treats, which is the best store in all of California Adventure by far. On the side, as we come up, you're going to see a depiction of Candy Mountain. That was the original idea that Walt Disney had for where the Matterhorn now sits. However, his idea he made with actual candy, and in a hot, sunny day of California, it all melted. So he ended up not having that model anymore, and decided to go with the Matterhorn instead. We're also passing under the Hyperion Bridge right now. This bridge is modeled after one in Los Angeles that the Imagineers actually drove under every day when they were heading from Burbank to California. Now we are coming up to our station here at the end. This is our final stop in this direction. Please stay seated until the doors have opened, the lights have turned on, and we've come to an complete stop. It looks like we do have a line here for the trolley, so we're going to have to ask everybody to disembark so we can get some new friends on board. Thank you for joining us all this way, and have a wonderful rest of your day and the holiday season.